Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my videos. My name is Sofwa. You can call me Sofwa or Dilan. And then today I can explain about my materials or PPT. And then what is my materials? My materials about football scores. Okay, right. Scores known as football outside North American is the world's most popular sport. It is modern from original in England in the 19th country when the Football Association established standardized rules in 1863. The game influenced to teams of 11 players each, aiming to score goals by kicking a ball into the opposing teams need. Scores quickly spread globally and is now played by millions, both professional and amateur levels. Okay, major events like the FIFA World Cup, established in 1930, future comet scores status as a universal sport. Okay, next. Definition of football scores. What is that? Okay, football, also known as soccer in some countries, is a team sport players between two teams of 11 players each. The objective of the game is to score goals by getting a spurious ball into the opposition team's goal. Okay, using primarily the speed although players might use their head or bodies to control ball. It is played on a regular field. Okay, known as feats with goals post at each end. The game is typically played over two halves of 45 minutes each, with a 15 minutes break in between. Football is widely regarded as the most popular sport globally, played and followed by millions of people across various countries. Okay, next. Definition of football scores according to expect. Number one, what is this? Muhdar. Okay, right. Muhdar. Definition score as a sport that includes two teams of 11 players each who complete to score goal by maneuvering a ball in a regular failed. With the unlimited aim of scoring more goals than the opposition team, players use them feet, head and body, okay, but not their hands, okay, to control pass and shoot the ball into the ball. It is played according to a set of rules known as the laws of the game, which answer fair play and structure during methods. Okay, right. Number 2, Ganesha. About Ganesha, explains that score is game played by kick a ball counted by flight with the aim of fielding that ball in the opponent's goals while defending their own goals to prevent that ball from entering. Okay, next, the objective of playing football scores. The objective of playing football scores is to score small goals than the opposition team with a space-time team. This is achieved by maneuvering the ball into the opponent's goals using various body parts. Okay, expect the hands or irons. With the unlimited goals being to outscore the opposition team. Okay, next. Basic techniques of playing football. According to Herwin, football include two basic movement ability or techniques the player must process and master. Number 1, okay. These are movement in football without the ball. Body technique is actually aimed at developing physical abilities to have physical fitness, okay, enabling players to perform at their best. Number 2, technique we beat with the ball. These are movement in football while using the ball. The basic request in football outside select action such as stop ball and passing, taking and dribbling. Okay, next. Okay, techniques in scores football. For techniques have 5 technicals. Here are the techniques in scores football. Number 1. Oh no, I'm sorry. Have 11. Okay. Number 1, dribbling, passing, shooting, recruiting, heading, kicking, crossing, goalkeeping, and defending. Okay. And the next, conclusion. Okay, I'm sorry, my eyes. Okay, right. Football is the team sport involving two teams. It's consisting consisting of 11 players. The main objective of the game it is to score goal into the opponent's net by catching kicking the ball while preventing the opponent from doing the same. Okay, football is known for its clear rules, such as the game duration of 90 minutes, divided into two halves. The played and regular piled with goals at each end. This game required technical skills, teamwork, strategies, and physical fitness. Football also serves as a source of entertainment and unit worldwide with international competitions like the World Cup bearing together pacer countries. Overall, football is not just a sport, but global cultures that connects millions of people. My experience was taking in the competitions last month. And then why football? Because for me football is something my life. Okay. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.